extend all legs into L shape. Take the middle star piece and attach two legs, opposite each other. Stand up the two connecting legs. Connect the remaining legs. Create the triangle brackets on the inside of the frame. Push the wall down onto the pin connected to the tent leg. Do the same along the other end of the wall. Repeat on all panels. Set counters on top of wall panels. Lock counter in place with pin. Drape the roof over the frame. Insert peak cap into peak pole. Extend each shoulder of the roof and pin in place. Repeat on all shoulders. Push the peak pole up from the center and pin in place.